Here's your AquaSonic water flosser. Right off the bat, when I opened up the package, it was a lot bigger than I thought it was. So here's my hand, and you gotta think about it, it's almost double my hand on there. So just keep in mind, if you have this out on your table or sink and everything, it's a big unit. First off, let's go ahead and talk about the top. That is the nozzle where the water comes out, so it can twist all you want. I notice it's easier if you face it towards you this way. This is the on-off button, and this is the different settings. You can do normal, soft, and pulse. I only use soft because I'm a beginner at it and it can hurt. So do soft, and then pulse is on, off, on, off, on, off. You have your charging port right here, and it does come with a charger, and then you also have your water filler here. So you just put it right under the sink. I like to do warm or hot water. Just think about it in the morning time when you are flossing. If you end up going ahead and having cold water, it's a shock. But yeah, that's it.
Okay, so this is the water flosser, and I really like how lightweight it is. It's different than my Panasonic. It was less money, and the tank holds a little bit less water than my previous flosser, but it's sufficient for doing all your teeth. Again, this is more lightweight, and the best part about it is that it has a plug in the front that you can charge. And so I just keep that right next to my toothbrush. It's got its own charger, so I'm not swapping out batteries all the time. It has different settings: pulse, soft, and normal. And yeah, really worth it.
Today we are trying the AquaSonic water pick for our teeth. Got to add more water to it now. This reminds me of when I had braces. A lot of pressure. I like this. Okay, this works.
Oh my god, I think it's happening again. Sort of myself, I would be letting